Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monte Vista Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Bobcats. And basically, you know, this is all across the campus, but they got different murals and artwork on some of the buildings. The one I like here, though, obviously says "Don't Bully Boulevard." That's pretty cool. But you see that there's different people helping each other, right? And to know that that's what today's topic was really focused on, I think that was really crucial, you know, that they keep getting reminded by different drawings and pictures and phrases, you know, all across campus. The topic today was compassion. The underlying theme was one life at a time. And we know that even one act of compassion, one act of kindness, sometimes just takes 2 seconds, can maybe change a life forever, change a heart forever. That's where the kindness has to begin, inside each of our hearts for sure. And talking with the AM, PM students and staff is my first visit of the 2024-2025 school year, and my last one, my last school in California for the year 2024. So it's always got an extra little special feel for me. There's a lot of pin drop moments with the students, you know, some that really just touch a piece of my heart because, you know, they've seen me now coming back year after year after year, building on what we talked about in my previous visits and other important topics. But the one today, you know, is kind of putting yourself in someone else's shoes, having that space of understanding, which is not always easy to do because there's a lot of people that, you know, bully us or hurt us or, you know, put us down. And they're usually the ones that need the love the most, right? That are desperately aching for it. And we can choose to be the light to their heart if we want to. You know, everything is always a choice, right? But we can also be able to see ourselves and others for this too. And this is something I bring up in all my assemblies, but it's so important. And it's the fact that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? That M stands for Monte Vista. Stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. A lot of the students remembered this before the assembly even started. They said, "Mr. P, show us your M." And so I did. But, you know, just for them to be reminded that, you know, they are miracles, and that people around them that maybe need that reminder. Hopefully, you know, we can go and, you know, remind them, right, by how we choose to live, by seeing them for who they truly are, right, by having that compassion and knowing that, you know, whenever something starts kind of like tugging in our heart, that heart chord or that heart vibe to help someone else, that is compassion at work, right? And I think they really got that today. And that's always encouraging for me to know that our young future leaders are being the change. You know, choosing not to bully, choosing to help one another, it's huge. And we really need that in today's world. This world needs a lot more kindness, and we can be the ones that choose that, right? That show it to people all around us. So yeah, just again, another beautiful afternoon here in California, and so honored to continue this inspirational message of being the change, living the change, and leading the change. So thanks, touch my heart. Keep shining your light, as always. We'll see you again next year after the holidays. So have a great rest of 2024. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.